Hello guys, welcome to day 254 from 400 Days of Learning Programming Challenge. I created a code that is trying to find the face in the camera and trying to find the eyes, that if the eyes is blinked or not. I just wrote the code, but it doesn't work properly the way I want. So let me show you the result. I created in two languages, Python and MATLAB. In the Python, let me show you the picture first. This is the picture. Okay, we're trying to find a rectangle around the face and two rectangles around the eyes. Okay, so this is the code. I pressed Shift Enter to run the code. It's right, blink status, eyes open. It just wrote it, but it should create a picture, a white, a gray level picture. If I press this, as you can see, there is a rectangle here in the head, and the two rectangles is in here, which wanted to be around the eyes. I don't know why it doesn't find the face. What is the problem? I also wrote the code in the MATLAB, and when I run the project, I received these errors. And right now, as you can see, the MATLAB doesn't get it. It's written that eyes is closed, and it gave me some errors. I want to try the ChatGPT to find out what is the problem, and I'm not sure if the ChatGPT can find out what is the problem, so I'm going to try it out. I already wrote the code here and asked ChatGPT about the problem, so it gave me the codes again. Okay, uncopy it. Let's see if the problem is solved. Eye is closed, which is certainly is not closed, and we still get the same errors. So let's give up for MATLAB right now and focus on the Python. So the Python already understood that the eyes is open. Okay, in order to figure out if it can understand if the eye is really open or closed, let's find another picture which have a closed eyes, and let's see if it works. Royalty free face with closed eyes. So my stock photo is really not free. Pixabay. Okay, the closed eyes in front of the camera. This is good, but it have hairs. I'm afraid it makes some issues. This one is better, or this one. Let's see what kind of format you want. We want PNG, so it doesn't have PNG. We download it. Okay, now we open it. We take a picture from it. And we save it as PNG. We say CC desktop, close this picture, removing it. Okay. Let's change the name of this, removing this one, make this CCC. Let's run the code, and this time instead of eyes open we have to get the closed eyes, right? Eyes is open again. So this has a problem. It cannot understand if the eyes is open or closed, and the rectangles are not in a good position. So let's type my code cannot understand. My code cannot understand if the eyes is open or closed, and the code also does not show also the rectangles are not set around the face and the eyes of the object in my codes. By the way, guys, if you know any tutorial that teach how to detect face and closed eyes without using any libraries, please comment it below. I will buy the course, or I will download, or if it's in YouTube, I'm going to watch it. The real important thing is the code should not use any libraries like OpenCV. And one thing I have to mention is these projects belong to my university. I'm going to do it for my university, but after this, about 2 weeks, the next 2 weeks, my university this term is going to finish, and then I'm coming back to web development projects, which is creating websites. So that is my interest. Creating websites is my interest, and I'm going to come back to that in the next 2 weeks. I cannot do it right now because it's near the final exams of my university, and I have to focus on that. That's really important. It will change my future, so I have to focus on that in my priority. Okay, the code is ready. Let's copy it, paste it here, Control S, Shift D. Eyes is open, so this is the mistake, first mistake. Let's check the rectangles. Let's delete this picture, run it again. Doesn't work. Even ChatGPT cannot solve the problem. Let's see the logics behind the code. Load image, it's a function. We will give the file path, which is the image. Image equal to image.open from file path, which is we define the file path here, and then convert it to L, convert to grayscale. Image underline np.array image. So we will change the codes to some 0 and 1, the binaries, right? np.array image np width and image height should be returned, so it will print the results. Not print, but it will show the results. Detect face, detect face image. So it's trying to detect the face from the image. We will give the height and width to image shape. Face size is 100 by 100. Lowest brightness float. For Y in range 0 height minus face size 1 to 10. Face size 0 to 10. Width and height. Where is the problem? Test the updated code with your image to verify that the rectangles are drawn correctly around the face and eyes. I test the code to see to adjust the face and eye size parameters, file face size and eye size, if necessary to better match the actual size in your image. Face size and eye size. Let's say face size equal to 200 and 200. Press this, shift enter, and let's make it bigger to see the difference. Make it 400. Change the size of the rectangle, of course. Let's create the eye size like 70 by 70. Why ChatGPT stopped? Come on. It's get better, right? You see the rectangles, green rectangles getting separated from each other, so this code is definitely changed to a better situation, but it's needed still to find out the eyes. So let me update my codes. This is the code I saved before. I'm going to update it with the new one. Now let's say to ChatGPT some other way. Let's say put the green rectangles at the center of the eyes. Put the green rectangles put one green rectangle at the center of left eye and put one other green rectangle at the center of the right eye. Change the code below. in a way that come on, ChatGPT. A new version of ChatGPT available. Continue chatting to use the old version or start new chat for the latest version. Let's see the answers and we are going to new chat. Okay, it's finished. Let's copy it, paste it, save it, and let's see the results. Doesn't change anything. Let's see the new chat of ChatGPT to the version. I don't know what to do. So it should find the face according to the pixels of the grayscale. Why it choose this place? I have to work on this. We spent about 25 minutes. I'm going to continue this tomorrow. See you tomorrow, guys.